So guys, I think I might have found one of the newest ways of being able to tap into the power of Google when it comes to putting you in a position of being able to potentially earn an extra source of income. I'm going to jump into the laptop right now and show you exactly how it works. So what I'm going to do first and foremost is type in the search term. Don't worry, it might look a little bit confusing, but all I'm doing is asking Google to show me various different Shopify online stores within the fitness niche. And I want it to show me the ones that are currently posting blog articles. So I'm just going to type it in there just like this and then click on search. From there, it's now going to come back with all of these different results. All of these different sites that you can see again are Shopify stores, and they're selling various different products, and some of them are doing it in an automated way. So if I just click into this one, we're going to use it as an example. Right here, we can see all of these different blog articles that they're currently posting, but I'm going to click into this one. We're going to take a look. Yeah, so more or less, as you guys can see, it's a basic article. They're giving the reader all the information that they're hoping to get just from the title. But what's really interesting about this is that they've got these different links within this article that when someone clicks into it, it's now going to take them over to this product page. And as I already mentioned before, the stores that I'm specifically looking for this time around are fitness stores. So of course, this store is a sport and fitness store, and they're selling this trampoline. They're currently selling it for around $704. But if I just right click on the image and click on Google Lens, I'm just going to type in Alibaba at the top over here. And as we can all see right here, on Alibaba, the product is available for around $249, which means that every single time that a site like this is able to make a sale, they're going to be earning around $500, maybe $450 in profit. And what's even more interesting is that if I just jump onto AutoDS, I'm just going to search for the product and then click on enter. And on AutoDS, there's all of these different trampoline options to choose from. But right here, we're going to be able to see the exact same one at a much cheaper price. Depending on where you plan to ship it to, there's going to be a shipping fee. But the overall point that I'm trying to get across to you is that you can build sites like this where you don't need to buy the products in bulk. You can essentially use an AI store builder when it comes to getting a website up and running. That website from there is going to load your store with winning products, or you can just go back onto AutoDS and add whatever products that you want to add to your store. And the way in which you're going to be able to tap into the power of Google is going to come in the form of you posting blog articles on the back end of your Shopify store. This could be done for completely free, and there's also a way that you can utilize AI when it comes to helping you so that you don't have to manually sit there and write the articles yourself. And the best part about all of this is that when it comes to the orders that you're going to hopefully get, AutoDS is going to be able to automatically fulfill them. And just to quickly explain what I'm talking about, this is a pet store that I was able to build using the AI store builder, and I'm going to be using it as a test store just to kind of give you guys an understanding as to the steps that goes into being able to do this. So once you've completed the process of building your own Shopify dropshipping store, it's going to take you over to the back end of your Shopify account. And when it comes to posting blog articles, all you need to do is click on content on the left hand side, then click on blog post, and this is going to be the page that you're going to see. So once you click on create a blog post, all you need to do is get the title for the article, post the actual blog article in this section, and there's going to be some other things you need to do when it comes to making sure that you've optimized it for SEO as well. But moving on to one of the first practical things that you need to do, which is that you need to decide on which product you're going to put the most attention into when it comes to writing blogs about it so that you can, drive as much traffic to that one item. So let me show you exactly what I mean, right? If I just jump onto the AI store that I was able to build, which is this one, it's a pet store if you guys didn't already know. And if I just click into catalog, these are all of the different items that was automatically loaded onto the site. So if you're following along with what I'm doing and you've already loaded your store with winning products using AutoDS, but you want to focus on just one initially, the one that I'm going to pick is this one over here, which is a pet camera. And the reason for that is because if I just go over to Google Trends, we can see worldwide, ever since 2013, people have actively gone onto Google search to look for information about pet cameras, which means that this could be a great opportunity for me to put articles right in front of them. So I'm going to keep this page open for now because I'm going to need the URL in a moment. But once you've decided on whatever product that you want to put your energy into, This brings me on to the prompts that you're going to need for ChatGPT. There's only going to be 3 different prompts that you're going to need when it comes to, doing everything I'm showing you right now. So we're going to start off with prompt number 1. And by the way, if you want me to link this down below, just comment the word, put the Google document down below, and I'll do it ASAP if I get enough people interested in it. So what I'm going to do is just copy the first prompt just like this that says, give me 20 blog articles that can rank well on Google for a pet store and the main selling product. And I'm just going to type in pet camera in there just like that. And I'm also going to say, give me top 5 keywords that need to be included in the article for it to rank well. Super simple prompt. We're just going to copy it like this, open up ChatGPT, and I'm just going to paste it in there like that and then click on enter. And it shouldn't take long for ChatGPT to come back with all of the different articles that we're going to be able to start writing and the best keywords that's going to help it rank as high as possible in the Google search results. Just make sure to tailor this depending on what product you're selling, what your store is about, etc., etc. So we've got all of these different ideas that we can choose from. So I'm going to come back to this in a moment, but let's move back over to prompt number 2, which is going to be the one that's necessary when it comes to actually writing out the article that we're going to copy and paste. So I'm just going to copy this prompt just like that. And again, if you want me to link it down below, just make sure that you comment down below and let me know. So I'm just going to copy like that, open up ChatGPT, paste it in there. And there's a lot of information in this, but essentially what I'm doing is telling ChatGPT to write a 1,000 word SEO optimized blog post and ensure that it's optimized for Shopify as well in terms of the heading, the paragraphs, and just everything that's necessary. So you can see the prompt right here. And the reason why I've put this is because we're now going to need to get our chosen blog article. And I'm just going to go with a random one for today's example, just to illustrate how this side hustle works. So the one that I'm going to go with is this one, which is why every pet owner needs a pet camera at home. So I'm just going to copy it and put the title of the article in there. And for the target keyword, I'm just going to scroll back up here and I'm going to get this keyword, just going to copy it and paste it in there. And it's going to be in this section where it says naturally mention and promote this product, where you need to get the URL. So I'm just going to copy the URL, go back over to ChatGPT, put it in there, and everything else is going to remain the same. So I'm just going to leave it like this and then click on enter. And that shouldn't take more than a couple minutes for it to complete. But as you can see, this is what it's going to look like. Now you're probably thinking, Sam, this doesn't really look like an article. It's got so much coding and all of this HTML stuff. Well, the reason for that is because what you need to do is just copy it just like this and then go back over to Shopify. And you're not just going to paste it in this section. What you're going to do instead is click on show HTML. Just click on that, paste the code in there just like this. And from there, it should now be visible to people on the site in the correct format. So what we need to do is get the title of the article. So I'm just going to get that right now. I'm just going to paste it in there. And if I click on show editor, as we can see, this is what the blog article is going to look like. Literally just like that, you saw me go from, not having a store up and running to being able to build a store super quick with the AI store builder to using ChatGPT when it comes to producing a fully written article. And the only thing that I'm going to need to do from this point is just make sure that I put all of the SEO information. So I'm just going to get the meta description so that again, it can rank as well as possible in the Google search results. So if we just go back over to this Google Doc, I'm going to go to prompt number 3, which is the final one. As you can see, it says, give me a SEO rich meta description to copy and paste into Shopify with the following keywords. So I'm just going to get the keyword that we're working with, and I'm also going to get the title just like that. And the keyword is obviously pet camera. And from there, what I'm now going to do is click on enter. This one's quite simple. You're just going to copy it like that, paste it in there like this. And as you can see, we're basically done. The only thing that we need to do from now is add a cover image. And the way that you can get it is by going over to this site over here called pexels.com. This is going to give you copyright free images that you can download straight away instantly onto your computer, laptop, mobile phone, whatever you're using. So I'm just going to type in the keyword over here, pet camera, and I'm going to click on search. There's all of these different results that now come back, but what you can now do is just click into any one of them that stand out to you. But for me, this is the one that I'm going to pick because it's quite attention grabbing. So I'm just going to click on download. And basically all I got to do is just come back over here, click on add image, then click on add files. And just like that, the image should now be added to the article. So if I just click on save, I want to show you guys what the finished product looks like. So I'm just going to click on preview. And there we go, guys. This is what the person or the reader is going to see once they come across the article, hopefully, if they're able to find it in the Google search results. It's got a lot of keywords in it. You know, it meets all of the recommendations or the criteria, you know, the amount of words, etc. when it comes to giving it the best chance of being ranked in the Google search results. And the best part about it is that if I just click into any one of these different links over here, it's going to take me directly to the product page. So guys, imagine how powerful this is, being able to publish, you know, 2 free articles every single day with the help of AI that, again, you don't have to write yourself, obviously. And all of these different articles are going to be doing your work when it comes to being able to drive potential traffic onto your site that's going to be able to now come across all of these different dropshipping products. And the reason why I've titled this video something along the lines of new way to be able to earn an extra source of income with the help of Google is mainly due to the fact that I don't believe a lot of people are aware of this method, you know, being able to build a store using AI loaded with products that you don't have to spend any money on, you don't have to buy inventory up front, and then simply using a tool like AutoDS when it comes to making sure that all of your orders are automatically fulfilled. In my opinion, I would say that this is potentially one of the best AI side hustles that are out there right now, because there's ways that you can automate this entire process. There's ways that you can build AI agents when it comes to simplifying everything so that you don't even have to write the articles yourself. They're going to be written automatically and published directly onto your Shopify store. So if you want to watch that video, you're going to be able to do so by clicking the link right there. Be sure to watch that straight after this. It's helped out so many people and I'm sure it can help you out too. But other than that, guys, I'll catch you on that next video. As always, make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.